Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Zombie Train. First, understand your primary objective. Protect your train from relentless zombie attacks across various maps. You'll start by selecting your character and initial gear. Movement is controlled with the W, A, S, D keys, and you'll use your mouse to aim and fire your weapons. Get ready for an intense ride. To survive, you must actively collect resources like scrap metal, which zombies drop when defeated. These resources are vital for building and repairing your train's defenses. Strategically place barricades and automated turrets to create strongholds. Be aware that various zombie types, from fast runners to heavily armored tanks, will challenge your defensive strategies, so adapt quickly. As you progress, you'll earn in-game currency by successfully surviving waves and completing specific objectives. Use this currency wisely to purchase significant upgrades for your train, including more powerful engines and reinforced train cars. You can also unlock a wide array of new weapons, from rapid-fire assault rifles to devastating rocket launchers, and essential defensive items to boost your survival chances. For advanced play, effective teamwork is paramount. Maintain constant communication with your teammates to coordinate defensive efforts and call out incoming threats. Consider assigning specific roles, such as a dedicated repairer or a heavy gunner, to maximize efficiency. During intense zombie waves, prioritize resource allocation to the most critical train sections, ensuring your defenses hold strong against overwhelming numbers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.